There is a T27 locating screw that helps hold the disc in place while the wheels are off, red arrow. These can get corroded over time, and especially if you live in a four-season area. You're going to remove the brake pad and caliper, but before you do, have someone put their foot on the brake while you are loosening the torque screw. If you don't have someone around to help, you can place a screwdriver down between the fins on the rotor and caliper mount to stop it from spinning. First, you're going to have to remove the caliper, and you should install new pads when you're changing rotors. Please see the link at the end of this video for front brake pad replacement and additional assistance. Once you have the caliper off, make sure to hang it from the suspension, red arrow. Never let the caliper hang from the brake line. Use an 18mm socket and remove the two caliper mounting bolts, red arrows. These bolts are considered single-use only and are micro-encapsulated on the ends. Make sure to replace the caliper hardware when performing this work. With the bolts removed, remove the caliper mount. Finish removing the T27 torque screw. Use care. Once it is removed, there is nothing holding the rotor in place, and you don't want it to drop on anything. Remove the rotor by lifting it off of the hub. Again, use care, as it is heavy. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to use a wire brush and clean the hub flange so there is a clean, flat, and level surface to mount the new rotor to. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.